Hi everyone, I'm Eva.
And I'm Lisa.
And together we are
LIVA Learning.
Okay, our previous little video was the song to the 12 months of the year, our Addams Family song that we thoroughly enjoyed. I hope you did too. Now, what we wanted to do was a little extension activity. Now, this is more aimed to your primary school age children, so you can simplify it, so you can start from prep all the way up to grade 6, and we're going to show you how to adapt it to cater for all the primary school age students. So we've done the first 2. So our first month is January. Now, in an earlier clip, I did explain the Masters THRASS chart. I am going to go through it very quickly with you. Now, the Masters chart is exactly the same as the yellow, but on the Masters, you'll notice that it's the blue chart, but you'll notice that there, after this little star, which is called a GCA or a capsule, grapheme capsule, you can see there are other ways to represent that phoneme. So let's just look at the box. We've got cat, kitten, duck, school, queen. Now, after the GCA, we have underneath here this digraph CC, and that makes a k sound in the word account. And another example of that would be soccer. So it gives you even more ways to make that phoneme. So we're going to refer to this in some of our months of the year. So we'll show you exactly where they are. So let's do the first one. Now remember, consonants in blue, and the consonant side is the side with the 26 letters of the alphabet, and the vowels is the other side, okay? 20 vowels, 24 consonants. So we have the J, like as in jam. Now you'll notice up here in black, my IPA. Now IPA stands for International Phonetic Alphabet. And see this red symbol in the boxes? That's your IPA. So for your older children, your grade 4, 5, 6, even grade 3 can attempt, grade 2, however you're feeling. If you feel like attempting it, that's great. So that's the J phoneme. So that's why I've put it in black there, the IPA. So J as in jam. Then we have A as in ant. So we flip it over to your vowels. There's the at box, and you can see here it's in red, but on mine I've put it in black. That's the at symbol. Then we have N as in net. So we flip it back over in the N box. And the IPA is very easy, it's just an N. Now this phoneme here we need to talk about. It's a diphone. So just recapping, a digraph is 2 letters making 1 sound. A diphone is the opposite. So it's 2 sounds represented by 1 letter. So the Y, oo is represented by 2 sounds. The first sound is the Y sound, like yawn, and that's why I've put yawn, and I've put the IPA, which is the J symbol. And the oo is in the moon box, and that's the IPA symbol. So those 2 sounds make the U. So we go Y, oo. I like to do it this way because I'm physically and kinesthetically with my hands showing that there's 2 sounds, but it's representing 1 letter. So Y, oo. So that's our diphone, and that's why I've split it in between, and I've done half the sound is on the consonants and the other half is on the vowel. That's why it's blue and red. Hope that makes sense. If it doesn't, we can clarify later on in a clip and do more about diphones if that is something you're interested in. Now the A makes the air phoneme. So I've put the star in the hair box, so pointing you in the right direction. So it's the hair box, and there's our GCA, which means the example is scary, because in the word scary, the A makes the air phoneme. And there's our IPA symbol again in black. We have like as in rain, so in the box, and the IPA is easy, it's just an R, and the I is like as in pony, and the vowels, and there's our IPA phone symbol. So we're going to thrust that out, so let's get our fist up. Now when we get to our diphone, 2 sounds representing 1 letter, I'm going to do this, Y, oo. Lisa's just going to do the fist so we don't confuse you. So let's go. You ready? We're going to do it 3 times. Okay. J, A, N, Y, U, E, R, E. Let's do it again. J, A, N, Y, U, E, R, E. One more time. J, A, N, Y, U, E, R, E. So Lisa, put your fingers up again. We have 8 phonemes. So you can see there's 8 sounds, but we only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 graphs. Because one is who remembers what it's called?
Diphone.
Diphone. So di comes from the Greek word or the Latin dio, do, to, and phone comes from the Greek word phoni, which is sound. Okay? Now, February. Let's do February. So we've got f like as in fish, e like as in bed, b like as in bird, like as in rain, oo. Now remember our GCA? Let's get our master's chart out. I'm pointing you to the right box. What's the box, Lisa?
Like as in moon.
Now, what's the example on the thrash chart on the masters?
Flu.
Flu, because in flu, the U makes the oo phoneme, okay? Now, February we had a bit of discussion, which I think is great. I love when we get together and we discuss things and, we're constantly learning, but it's all in the way we say words. So in February, we can say February, we can say February, or we can say February. So it's all in the way we say the words. So we've given you in the schwa, like as in zebra, the A. We've given you the e, like as in bed. And the e, which is the GCA, pointing you to the right box, the hair, but it's like as in scary. So it's just the graph A making the air phoneme. Then we have the like as in rain, and then we have the E, like as in pony. Okay, let's get our fist up, our phoneme fist. Lisa's going to phoneme fist it. I'm going to point. Let's go. E, B, R, U, E, R, E. E, B, R, U, E, R, E. One more time. E, B, R, U, E, R, E. And we have again 8 phonemes. Okay? We hope you found this very useful. If you would like us to do the rest of the months and thrash them out, please like and subscribe and give us a comment, and we can do that for you. If you would like to, we'd like to set the challenge to you. If you would like to do it independently and take a photo of it and send it back to us and show us.
Yes.
You might even like to try that IPA. It is so fun writing in IPA. Lisa and I actually like to write each other little notes in IPA and try and transcribe it just to keep our knowledge up and to practice. Because the more you practice, the better you'll get. So challenge yourself. Try and do it. Get your red pen, your blue pen, grab a black pen for your IPA and have a go at the months of the year.
Can't wait to see it.
Thank you. Take care until next time.
Bye.
Stay safe.